Last week, NTV Uganda reported that Lake Bunyonyi's waters turned thick grey-brown after a suspected underground volcanic event, with officials advising against using the water while tests are underway. Until the Ministry of Water issues an official bulletin, here is what science says on how communities can respond. An underground volcanic eruption beneath a lake is usually a small subsurface event driven by hot magma or superheated groundwater. When hot fluids meet lake water or sediment, they can shatter rock, stir up mud, and release gases. Scientists called many of these blast steam-driven eruptions in that no fresh lava is needed. Steam pressure alone can break rock and eject ash or discolored water. These events often change water color and harm fish because of sudden temperature, oxygen, or chemical shifts. This kind of activity has global parallels. In January 2022, the submarine Tonga Hapai eruption blasted through shallow seawater, injecting ash and water into the atmosphere and dramatically altering local waters. That is a different, much larger marine event, but it shows how water and volcanism interact. In lakes, the most famous hazard is a limnic eruption, which is a rapid release of dissolved volcanic gases like carbon dioxide. In 1986, Cameroon's Lake Nyos released a lethal cloud of carbon dioxide that flowed into valleys, killing more than 1,700 people and thousands of animals. Engineers later installed pipes to vent gas safely. While Lake Bunyonyi's report points to murky water and fish impacts, not a gas cloud, Nyos is a reminder that gas release is a known, studied lake hazard. What should authorities do now that we know? Standard steps include fast water quality testing, that is for pH, turbidity, metals, sulfide or ammonia, and dissolved gas checks. Shoreline gas monitoring in low-lying areas where heavier than air carbon dioxide could accumulate in calm conditions. And 3, targeted fish and invertebrate sampling to gauge ecosystem stress. And number 4, clear public guidance on alternative water sources. If gases are elevated, short-term measures like restricting nighttime camping in depressions and improving air mixing near shorelines can reduce risk. What can the residents do while waiting for official advice? Avoid drinking, cooking or bathing with lake water. Boiling kills germs but does not remove chemical contaminants. Use protected springs, piped supplies or bottled water if available. Keep children and livestock away from discolored water and any fish dives. Do not eat stressed or dead fish. Boaters should steer clear of visibly disturbed areas, that is like an upwelling or bubbling strong odors. Report unusual smells. This is usually the scent of rotten egg or sulfur, or wildlife distress to local leaders in case animals are reacting. Finally, patience and good communication are vital. Volcanic hydrothermal systems can rumble quietly for long periods, then pulse. Careful sampling and transparent updates from the ministry and local scientists will tell us whether this was a short-lived hydrothermal burp or a sign of a more active system. Until then, caution around the water and attention to official guidance offers the best protection. My name is Butanda Shafiq and this is Everything Ugandan.